Hey guys, Marty's Gathering Place here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing awesome. Just want to do a little update on the channel. We got some big news. We have a new sponsor on the channel. A local LGS of mine, Cat Leo, Cards Leo. We're gonna start things off with a promo code, just to test the waters to see how it works and who actually from the channel goes to visit and purchase from the online store. You're gonna have a link in the description below. Also, I have a promo code. It's gonna be Marty Fan 2023. Also, it's gonna be in the description below. You're gonna have a $5 discount on your order. I know it's not much to start, but it's just to test the waters and really who's looking at my videos and who's actually doing, again, orders on the site. Please note that only works for Canada. For people in the US, my LGS actually has a eBay store that ships Canada, US, and everywhere. That can be used. A lot of singles on there. It's all cards that are worth $3 and up. You can look it out. Description is gonna be below also. Links are in the description below. Yeah, so that's going on, and also we're gonna do some box breaks. Following this video, basically there's gonna be a box break. I'm gonna do a lot more box breaks with this LGS. And also, I'm going to continue doing a little bit of when I started deck tax. I'm going to have a little bit more of these. I hope you guys like the two first ones. If you didn't see them, please go look at the prior videos. I did two commander ones. I'm going to look to do other decks I have also shortly. So yeah, so that's what's going on. Also, I'm thinking of doing probably a battle between other YouTubers that I really like and I talk on a daily basis with, and just to spice them up. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date, know what's going on, and peace, and we'll see each other very soon. Hey guys, Marty the Gathering Place here. How you guys all doing? Big news today. I have a new sponsor on the channel. Cat Leo, Card Leo, LGS from around my area. Still working things out. We'll have a promo code shortly. I'll do another video to talk about it. I'll have the link in the description to their website. Go check them out if you're from the area. They ship everywhere in Canada, sorry, not in the US. But they do have a eBay store that they do sell to US also. So I'll also put that link in the description below. So today we're gonna break two boxes. A set booster from Eldraine and a draft booster. So we'll start with the set. I didn't even look at the spoilers. I don't even know what's in the set. I'm kind of bummed about spoilers. It takes you the surprise effect. A card. Go. I know there's some reprints. There always is, but our card. Okay, these are backwards. Oh, we have a list. Rebuff the Wicked. I know this is actually worth something. There. First rare, Heartflame Duelist. We have uncommon. Go slowly on the first backs to show the cards. Oh, another the list. No rest for the wicked. 12 common. Okay, that's the new borderless slot. Okay. Expel the interlopers. So that's our uncommons. And these are the commons. And with the art card. Oh, it's a signed one. Look. Next pack. Crap card. Full common. Retro. And the end. So yeah, new set, pre-release weekend. Release next week. You guys aren't going to do a lot of the pre-release this weekend. Token. Full common. Bramble familiar. And your land. Hartford. So yeah, so go look at their website, guys. They have a lot of stuff, a lot of recent stuff, a couple. Oh, waste not, nice. And we have a rare Rowan Sign of War. Then the uncommons. Yeah, so they actually celebrated their 1 year opening in August. Oh, Nature's Will, nice. And Copy Enchantment. Archon of the Wild Rose is our rare. Not too sure how you call that slot now, but that's different. Foil Mountain and your card. It's like in every set now they come out, there's always like a new slot. They did since it's been a while, and they insert like a certain slot in your pack, and you get either a retro frame and red cap gutter dweller. Just Magic's trying to revamp a little bit, maybe trying to do new stuff to get more players involved, more start playing. Oh. A Virtue of Strength. It's a mythic. Is it good? I'm not sure. So, if you guys are opening some this weekend, Donna Hope. Let me know in the comments what you pull, if you have any good pulls. And just leave a comment. I just like reading you guys what you write. Florida Swamp. Token. Restless Bivouac. Kind of a dual land that turns into a creature. That's cool. It's probably a new mechanic, I think. Royal Young Hero. Full common. Sentinel of Lost Lore. Court of Embrit. That's this land and art card. Like, I'm totally unaware what's worth money. Like I was saying, I didn't look at spoilers. Oh, Omniscience, nice. I know what that card is. Likeness Looter. Lands are gorgeous. So this is going to be a two-part video. We're doing the set booster now. Oh, under list, Cran War Machine. 3 list cards so far, that's good. Oh, we have a Mythic. Agatha of the Vile Cauldron. Evolving Wilds. There we go, Joel Moss. That's your best card out there. Got card. Full common. Unnatural Growth. Raging Battle Mouse. There we go. And an art card. Oh, another list card. Oh my god. Dragon Lord Ujate. Full uncommon. Uncommon. Talon's Messenger. Uncommon. So from what I can see, gorgeous land. In the new slot area, these ones, there's a lot of reprints. Token, full common, and our rare is a Horn Luchwell, and Kelaine the Fee-Blooded, nice. That's a mythic. Foil Plains. Like, I don't even know, like, if this is a good box or not. Like, I have no clue what's what. Yenna, Red Tooth Regent. And that's her uncommons. An art card. Token. Where Fox Bodyguard. Malevolent Witch Kite. Foil Forest. Art card. Rat token. Full common. Oh. Defense of the Heart. Oh my god. That's nice. Restless Fortress. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna have probably around next week a promo code for you guys that you can use. So we got a foil Raging Battle Mouse, Phyrexian Unlife, Eldraine the Pyro Hammer, land and art card. Down to the last pile. I see some good hits, but value, not sure what they're worth. So Ley Line of Anticipation, nice. That's Restless Fire, new lands. That from when I see that transform into a creature. Nice swamp, and your art card. Token. A Ley Line of Lightning. Dark Tutelage. The Huntsman Redemption. Water Land. Token. Full common. A Tale of the Ages. I'm sure if there was an uncommon that's worth money, or there always is, but token. Scalding Viper foil. Common. Descendant Dragon, nice. Then we have Restless Fire. Then we have our uncommons. Right. Foil uncommon. Uncommon. Rotisserie Elemental. Your uncommons. Common. Oh, look at this. That's really nice. Wow. 5 packs left. Come drop Poisoner. Commons. Commons. Wow, I like this art. That's amazing. I saw there's a couple. Oh, the list. Gregor's Crude Magistrate. Common. Repercussion. The Goose Mother. Foil Mountain. Nice. Sorry, bump the camera. Common. Godric Cloak is a Revealer. Last 2 packs of box 1. Unreleased. Stormscape Battle Mage. Nice. Quite a few listables. That's good. Sleep Cursed Fairy. Cruel Summapage. Court of Avernvale. Evolving Wilds. Best card ever. Planes. Mouse Token. Full Common. Leyline of Abundance. Hilda of the Ice Crown. I think that's a decent hit from when I saw it quickly. And commons and ending up on a foil planes. Well, that's it, guys. That's box 1. Their information are gonna be in the description below. Go check them out, their website. And if you're in Canada, please support them. That's it, guys. Like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed. On that note, peace, and we'll see each other very soon. Forge the fire!